Hi, Rod from VMN here. I wanted to show you a new shock absorber that we have got here exclusive to VMN that we're about to test fit into our N80 in the coming week. So we hope very much that this works out because it's extremely well priced, high quality build, and with all the features that you can pay many thousands of dollars for an American built shock absorber. So without further ado, let's have a closer look at this shock. So as we said, this will be exclusive to VMN, has all the features that you look for in a quality remote reservoir coilover design, together with matching rear shocks, which are currently in the vehicle. So we have spherical bearings top and bottom, a good range of movement here, and our remote reservoir canister, complete with a compression adjuster, the ability to swivel the can so that you can align it when mounting, and threaded area here for adjustment, and a bump stop here, 2.5 inch shock, 22mm chrome shaft, and high quality fittings, seals, oils, everything that you should ask for in a quality coilover shock without the high price that comes with some of the difficult to obtain American shocks. So stay tuned, and we will keep you informed about how well this shapes up as being a new contender in the Hilux market.